So I've been doing Jiu Jitsu for about 10 years and I just recently got my black belt. And I thought it would be a cool idea to build a Jiu Jitsu app. Something like a search engine for Jiu Jitsu moves, but that I could do, some specific processing, maybe use some machine learning. Have kind of like a pocket style app that shows you suggestions for moves regarding certain topics in Jiu Jitsu. I'm gonna start a Spark series on this topic and let's see what happens. All right, so let's get started by creating the file. So let's create a new file. The file is going to be called Jiu Jitsu App. So Jiu Jitsu App.py. Okay. I already have kind of like the outline of what the app looks like. So let's open it up and see what that looks like in practice. I'm going to open the terminal and I'm going to run Streamlit. So I'm going to activate. Perfect. So I have Streamlit installed. I can just run pip install Streamlit. Everything's already installed. Great. Let's get rid of that. Let's come here and let's run Streamlit, run Jiu Jitsu App, and now I have the Jiu Jitsu App running on the browser here on my right, and on my left I have the code. Okay, so let's see how I got to this by just removing everything that's here. To get things started, let's import Streamlit. Perfect, and let's start with the header. So the name of the app is going to be Jiu Jitsu Analysis App because I have zero creativity. And there we go. I'm running always rerun on Streamlit, so it allows me to see it in real time, the updates that I do on the code, which is awesome. Streamlit is awesome. That's all I'm gonna say. And now, okay, I'm gonna do some comments here, and the subheader is gonna be search for a video, because again, zero creativity. And let's set up a category box. So this is going to be a selection box where we select certain topics, and then we're going to show YouTube videos related to those topics. And how we get the links for the YouTube videos is something that's going to change in the future, but for now, I'm going to do it manually. So here I'm adding all the topics that I thought would be cool to start. And so we're talking about takedowns, we're gonna have submissions, guard passes, sweeps, escapes, drills, sneaky moves, and then some cool sparring videos and training sessions that I see online that are like helpful and stuff. Okay, so now we have this on my app here. So we have takedowns, submissions, and we're not seeing anything change because so far I haven't added the actual URLs to the videos. But we're gonna do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna set up some columns in Streamlit to organize the layout. And the first one that I'm gonna add is going to be takedowns. So I already have preset some links to videos regarding takedowns. And let's see how that looks. So now when I click takedowns, there we go. We have access to some cool takedown videos that were pre-selected from YouTube. Now, from where am I getting these videos? Well, obviously from YouTube, but what I'm doing is so what I've done is over the years, I gathered a bunch of links to different jiu-jitsu moves and to different grappling. What I've done over the years is I gathered a bunch of videos of interesting moves and concepts regarding grappling mostly, although this is supposed to be for fighting techniques in general. But as you can see, there's much more for grappling. And I have takedowns, guard passes, submissions, escapes, all sorts of stuff that I thought was interesting. And I use those to start the app. I use those links to kind of like get me started. So I added for takedowns. Let's add now for submissions. So I just add an elif, and then if category is submissions, meaning if we click in submissions here, we're gonna see a few videos on submissions. So if I click on submissions, there should be, oh wait, there was an error there. And now if I do there, okay, still an error there because we need a parenthesis. Okay, perfect. Now we can move from, if I click on takedowns, I see all these videos, I see all the text for the videos of takedowns. In the future, I might add some GIFs to kind of like have a short intro to these videos instead of having the actual full-on YouTube video here. But that's for the future. And now for submissions, and we're gonna do that for guard passes and the other topics that we added. So sweeps, escapes, drills, and some cool sparring sessions. So now I can go through this, let's say, search engine, and I can go on the videos and have the videos shown to me in this pocket style version. And I can have the videos shown to me in this pocket style. And I can have the videos shown to me in this pocket style layout. And so far it looks pretty good. This is the start of the video, and this is gonna be a short video because all I have for this app right now is this. So just the selection box and showing the videos, but I want to evolve this with a little bit of machine learning maybe. So do some pose estimation, some pose tracking, do video processing. I want to, get creative. If you guys have any ideas of what I could do to evolve it, please put it on the comments, like the video, do all that stuff. If you guys have any idea on how I could evolve this app, let me know in the comments. And for now, that's it. Cheers.